What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to transfer USDT from Binance to MEXC with zero fees. So in this case, you might be wondering, how do you get zero fees in your transfers here from if you are going to, or you're planning to transfer USDT from your Binance account? Well, there are a few things that you need to consider here. Let's go ahead and first open up the Binance app here, and let's go to our assets at the bottom right of our screen. Now, from here, typically speaking, if you want to send USDT from your Binance account, you want to go to the withdraw option, and let's go and choose the option here for that says withdraw. Now, from here, let's go and choose USDT as an example. Let's go and choose the send via crypto network. Now, from here, let's go ahead and basically fill out some details here. So you can just enter the address for your MEXC here, and also you may want to choose the network. Now, choosing the correct network here is really important. So let's go open it up. Now, there are a number of networks that you could choose from here. As you can see, there's like OPBNB, Tron, APTOS, Polygon POS, Ethereum, and a lot more. So, depending on the network that you use here, they have associated fees on them. So, as you can see, we have ERC20 or Ethereum here, which in this case, the fee to transfer using this network is around 3 USDT. Now, if you want to get zero fees with your transfers, you want to go and look for one, or in this case, network that doesn't necessarily requires you to enter or use any fees. So, for example, the fee for the BNB Smart Chain here, or in this case, BEP20, is 0 USDT. So, if you want to get zero fees, go ahead and just choose that one, and just provide all necessary details like the withdrawal amount and the address, and just click on withdraw at the bottom right of your screen. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.